Welcome to our lesson about the variable radius fillet. Let's activate the fillet tool and select the variable radius type. Now let's select 3 edges in our graphic area, 2 and 3. I need to specify at least one radius value. If I accept now without doing this, I'll get an error. Let's enter 5 millimeters here for the radius value. Click outside to register. The next radius, 10 millimeters. And click outside to register. Let's select the edges to which we've applied fillets. Notice the 3 red dots that appear along each edge. We're able to specify a different radius value at every one of these points, and we can also add and remove points. If I click on the point, the callout shows its location at 25% distance. Let's make the radius 4 millimeters, for example. Let's switch edges now and select this point here. Let's make this value 30. And we'll make the radius value 3. We can also move the points. Now the distance value is 61%. Let's accept this fillet. And now let's edit variable fillet 1. Right-click, Edit Feature. The last option we have here is a choice between smooth and straight transactions. Let's check this out a little more closely. See how the line changes when I toggle between straight and smooth transactions. Let's accept. And this concludes our lesson about the variable radius fillet.